Racing just is started. We have Geronimo break quickly at the start. Speed of the wind, Portis all in the middle. Dragon King is on the outside. Born Free. Brown Baby comes next. Lavi Slim Princess. Perhaps Lavi Strong Boy. Don Martino comes next. Gifted Champ. My Boy Paulo. Wild Champ is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Speed of the wind by about 3/4 of a length lead. Dragon King Portis all is done on the inside. Running forward now is Born Free. Is strong. He is down in fifth. Then next on line is Labia. Perhaps La Brown Baby comes next. Moving up Geronimo. Slim Princess. Gifted Champ in the middle portion. Then comes My Boy Paulo. Racing second last is Don Martino. While Champ still racing in less. And at the far turn we have Speed of the wind by our length and a half. Born Free in second. Portis all is Strong Boy. Moving up now at the outside is Slim Princess. Geronimo is down on the inside. And as they swing for home, we have Speed of the wind by our length and a half. Portis all is lifting down on the inside with about 100 meters of the race. Speed of the wind, Portis all, Speed of the wind, Portis all. It's now Portis all, and finally it's Portis all. Speed of the wind, Strong Boy, Geronimo, Gifted Champ, and then comes Born Free for your Super 6.
6, 8, 1, 3, 2, 13, 4.